Alright, it's going to be hard for you guys to hear me, but video number 2, make sure you have your mask on, very important. So what I like to do is I like to move everything out of the way because this stuff can get really, really messy. You want to take and do a thin layer. Make sure you get every edge, every corner, nice and thin. And please make sure that you use a mask because this stuff is very, very toxic. I hope you guys can hear me, but whatever. Alright. And then I have these cool little things that Keith made. So where they sit up and they can dry. Pick another side. And as you can tell, my foam is not exactly even, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to be cutting and shaping this later. Since this part is boring, I'm going to share with you Fred. I bought that for Pete. And you can actually see how thin I'm going. You don't have to overdo it. So there's probably some easier ways to do this, but since we don't have a workspace or fancy machines, we literally do everything by hand. This is how we really do it. So, alright, so then you want to let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then you glue it together and then do the same with the other side. And so we'll check you out on video number 3.